Hey dolls, my name is Leah and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, I post weekly videos on all my makeup, all my hair, all my jewelry, all my pink clothing. I'm a pink girly YouTuber. I try to post every Wednesday because we wear pink on Wednesdays. And if you want to become part of my pink family girly YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my everyday makeup routine. This is when I have time in the morning and when I am going to work. I work as a hairstylist, so I need to look professional, I need to look girly, I need to look my part. I feel like if I look nice, then people have actual trust in me that I'm gonna make their hair look nice. Alright, and enough of me talking on, let's get started with the video. So I freshly washed my skin with Dermalogica and then I moisturize it. So to start off, now my makeup is kind of everywhere, and don't mind the messiness, but I use Laura Mercier, their primer. This one is it's a hydrating one, because I do have I have combination skin, so I'd rather be hydrated than dried out with the matte one. Make sure that's just completely rubbed in. And now taking my beauty blender, I use the KVD. I do a mixture. Now I do tan, so this is really expensive of me, but I have 3 bottles. The light 47 natural is for more when I'm tanning and using my self tanner. And then when I'm really pale, I am light 4040 cool. I don't know if my camera could focus. This is more my color, but I don't want to be pale, so I balance it out with light 45 natural. So I'll do a little pump of each. A little goes a long way. I just go on my back of my hand and just dab dab dab. To set it, I let it dry a little bit, but then I go in with my Too Faced Primed and Poreless Pore Blurring and Mattifying Face Powder. This is probably my favorite little powder. It is a white translucent. I take a big fluffy brush. I got these brushes off from Amazon. They are years old, so it is time to get new ones. Makeup brushes they don't last long. You want to be careful because they do hold a lot of bacteria. Make sure you clean them with antibacterial soap. Okay, so now that my face is really more of one color, I add dimension by putting a little bit of blush, a little bit of everything. You ever start doing just oh, I'm gonna wear natural stuff, and then you just end up doing everything? I just did, this is the Buxom Wanderlust. It's a primer infused blush and it's in the color Havana. I just dab it on the apples of my cheeks and then I go up into my hairline to make it more natural looking. I just do that to add a little bit of color. And now, because we are on the fair side of color, I like to use the Benefit Hoola Light because I am very pale. You don't want to go really dark with your bronzer. This is just to add a little bit of color. To be honest, I have a lot of highlighters, but honestly this one's my favorite. It's a little cute strawberry. Look how cute this is. It's from I Love Revolution. I got this at Ulta. I go hard with my highlighter because it's just so pretty. Anything that sparkles, just give it to me. I want to start working on my eyebrows, so I go in and with a spoolie This is from Morphe with an angled brush. I've actually just started to use this like this year. It's 2021. It's apparently not popular anymore, but I love it. So I just wipe off the excess on my hand. That's like my template I use. So I go ahead and I dip in the pomade and I just like wipe off the excess. Because this can be very, very thick. You go in and line them out, or bottom to top, and then curve it out, make that tail thick and nice. And then with the leftover, I just go in vertical and I just like drag it in. And make sure they're like the same shape. And then if there's any cleaning up to do, I just take my like beauty blender and I tap in the center and I just tap around the sides just to make sure like nothing's out of proportion. I don't really do that much eyeshadow. If anything, I take my Stila and my Stila glitter in Herlina. It's a pretty iridescent white. I just swipe it. I take my ring finger and just dab it. Your ring finger is your weakest finger. Especially around the eyes, you want to be careful. So I typically have an eyeliner to line my eyes, my waterline. My eyeliner is complete crap. Once I put eyeliner on or mascara on, I completely change. So I like to use fake lashes, and the Glamnetic lashes are amazing. So this just creates like a tacky layer, and they are magnetic. While they dry, I just put a little bit of lip gloss on because we are in the middle of a pandemic. Who's gonna see it? But my lips are completely white. Okay, so this I forget what lash this is. If you want me to do an in-depth video, comment below and I'll give you a full in-depth review and a how-to. I've been wearing these for God knows how long, but like every year I buy new ones. And people think I have like lash extensions. It does take some time on getting used to. You just tap it in and you're done. It's absolutely insane. And just like that, my eyelashes are done. And I look like a supermodel. And then last but not least, we take the famous Urban Decay makeup setting spray and we just go all out. It's nice and refreshing. And that is my entire look. And if you have any questions on anything that I'm wearing, let me know, comment below, and make sure you guys give this video a like. And if you want to see more pink girly makeup videos, make sure to subscribe. I do try to post every Wednesday. Alright dolls, thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a beautiful, magical, wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye dolls. Mwah.